Cause hear me now, when you're too be nice, people take advantage of you. Yeah, me no want be nice. Me no want be nice. Yeah. People take advantage of you, man. Yeah.
Take you for fool, you know?
Yeah, man. You're nice and good, you know, man. Borrow your good money and I want to give you back, you know, brother. Have your good money and have money and now pay you, you know. You're too nice.
I feel you like
And when you come and ask him quietly, man, lick your dog.
Sure, man. Not true, you're too nice. Me not so nice. Me sure about that. Me not so nice. Nobody now go get that blind with me. Yeah, you can't get things from me, you know. You get chance with me, but nobody looks say, you go get me for use me. Me no in that like a papi show game there. No, me no in it with nobody. People use me enough for hurt gone already, brother. Yeah, me no in that no more. No, me not take no more that from nobody, my friend. Check it as me tell you now.
Yeah, some man borrow money, you know, lock off on his phone, you know. Weekend him calling now.
Yeah,
he say, yo, you don't send me phone about this dog.
Yeah, man.
And get next story, you have to wait again.
Me not depend it. And my money me want. Actually, one time one boy come see me stall up a town and trust a fight, you know.
Yeah.
Me not trust him nothing. He come, they can't take up me goods when he later alone did it. Go in a club, come up back, tell you man, say money done. Say, alright. Now we pay next weekend when we come back a road. Next weekend, boy, hide. Me not say nothing. Neither weekend come again, boy, hide. So, rascal, him no plan to pay. One night me see him call him and fan me up. Say, yes, brother. You're a real bad man. And you me want to owe me. Yeah, man. The market pays a one man in my alien again. I drink and a flask, me and my friend them. When me look, me not see roof club bus round in a 6 o'clock a morning there. He ma come down in a massive and crew. Me say, yes, Papa. You come with me money this morning. He ma go tell me, say, money shell down up a club. Me say, that no have nothing to do with me. Me have to get paid this morning. That no have nothing to do with me, brother. He ma go tell me, say, him no have it. Me grab him. The blood clot mean. Policeman no back out gun for me, brother. Big gun back out in my face. Say I'm cousin. So me say, whoa, you carry your police, your cousin police strength to come shoot me. After you come excursion me something them then, cause me never trust you nothing and I must excursion that. So me no know who him neither, cause him not have no police clothes. How comes him be police? We have to go around the station and make soup know about this. Yes, police gone left him. Left him in my hand, no business with him again. Cause from here about soup. You are going, brother? Me say from police here about soup in take yourself. Me say you have to give me my blood clot money this morning. If you not have no money, you have to pay with liquor of your blood. You pussy, you think you get ready this morning? They are trembling on me. Me say me just take out my knife and rest my knife at blood clot him. Yeah, cause me want my money and if me can't get paid, me willing to take liquor of your blood and good, you know. Yeah, me good with liquor of your blood. Me alright. A taxi man come take out money pay for him before me stab him. Cause me I go stab him, you know. Cause him no have no money and me not let him go not one more morning for me money. Me I go stab you. Then him not do it. That me I tell you him do it. Then you don't take me money and turn around and stab me.
Then nobody man bad, you see man no plan to pay.
Well, make him not pay, then me want to climb blood then. Yeah, you not have to pay, you know. Me will just satisfy with licking your blood. Yeah.
And me could come that time I want my man in blood too.
Me will satisfy with licking your blood for true, man. So you not have to pay. You don't have to bother pay. In ball, you fuck in a square there in a man in there. Taxi man pop out money come pushing on my pocket pay fee.
You go run too long now.
Oh, you mean if man run you too long and I fan me off and run me away. Me say, oh, that you do. Him you know that Ross boy they come back and look for me and tell me say, him I did really pussy hole which you kind it to come pay me. And him did a hide from me and if me I did fool me wouldn't get paid.
A conscience man.
That's me I say you see it though. You see where the man tell me how time mouth.
You could have stabbed him.
If me I did fool, me couldn't get paid because him did really did that dodge me out for sure.
What you say?
So the man tell me long after. The man come back and tell me how me and him not have nothing and me and him not for this. And me say, you alright. I'm going to me get paid, brother.
See, same thing, I same thing. You know what I say about the taxi business, you know?
Alright. Yeah, man.
Same thing that about the taxi business.
Now run some joke with people, brethren, because if you run some joke with people, then tell yourself, say you're good, you're not fool, you're fool. Fool them and say you're fucking fool.
But that's
So
why
they can't do you
gonna
but
be like
anything.
van front, man. If they are big like the van, him take up the whole of the seat where they can see, I must him man that. Blood.
Them medical people now can come in front of me and, with knife and tell them to stop people.
Hey. When me done run you forgot all the knife could have drop out of your blood clot. Who you come to about your one? So you gonna stop my picnic? You must say blood clot, man.
And of course, bad word in front of
Hey,
you. Look up it
you
like that.
tell me what a bad word in my face. Me I got jail, you know. Oh, me I got blood clot jail and that me I telling you so me ignorant. Where you grab a record? So me I got jail for sure, man. Cause how you become a deal with me? So you're not supposed to come complain to me good as a little pitney.
You know God.
Eh?
Remember me, you give a now.
You can't make sure I talk to you, so you're the bigger one and that one.
You're not supposed to come and talk to me, so man. Me a big woman, you're a little pitney, man. Me no box you down, brother. Something wrong. Me must end up a jail. Man, so you go here say me wicked. But me no play with fitness, so man.
When daddy come back, you know, I didn't care go tell you anything, man.
Yeah.
So man, the way the box down or something for moms. How you do? Take rum?
The man run a market back.
Yeah.
Now remember the day I drink and broke people glass. And the woman go tell him say, Marga next time I take out the something them out of the glass case before people come see it. Him fly up and the woman up in a woman's face. with buckle in a hand. So I say, oh you bad man. I just go down there and take the buckle from him and give him a blood clot licking in his face and bust it. Right top and yai. Bust off the whole and yai top. Say move your bumbo clot, brother. But you don't know nothing about me, man. You don't know nothing about me.
When the younger citizens
Well, right now, since me all me do that. Since me all me do that. No man no bother me, brother. No man no bother me. Me I tell the world that no man no bother me. Bother who? Bother me with what? Where you can do what me can do?
You can't run on a boy again.
What make? You want a race?
Me?
Hey. No easy. What make me can't run you down? Go quit me and try run from me and think you get way.
There's a cat of pass.
Make you try something and you will see. Yeah, man. Me not afraid of nobody, brother.
When they believe age cut speed.
Age no cut speed, age build up speed.
It's a go, faster.
Yeah, man. Me no coward too, me get old, you know. No. And me no get slower. Still brave and bad, brother. Me am go think more conscious. But no fuck yourself, me have the same way. Yeah, man, me even wickeder now too, you know. Yeah, man, me even wickeder now because me have more experience. I'm wicked for true, man, and a joke, and some people go and like say, and them alone know wickedness, you know. I just enough experience me have. Whole heap of experience me been through. So me just know to adjust myself in a Gideon, you know. No man no bother no man, brother. Any man can squeeze the trigger right now. Yeah, no man no bother no man. Cause no man have to do like Burbic and Tyson, you know. Then something then I go on again. Yeah, at least the man a fling big stone off a man again to blood.
The man bother the man, he must have two like one a yard and one way walk.
Man, a finger and trigger, brother. Yeah, man, that's right. That's the thing rest. So when me afraid of, man? For if you have a bust gun, me a bust it to, brother. So, yeah, man, and if you have ratchet, me have dagger. Blood clot, you. What you think, say? Yeah, man, you're not bad army, man. You're not bad army. You just try quick on blood clot, me here. But you're not bad army.
Yeah, be quick with you.